Today we're reviewing stock number 197036 on a 2018 GMC 1500 Denali, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, sunroof controls, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, lane departure warning, hill descent controls, and retractable running board controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have retractable running boards, alloy wheels, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 197036 on a 2018 GMC 1500 Denali, and our exterior color is black.